Hey there, my name is Dimitri and welcome back to our YouTube channel here at Tactiq. Are you somebody who is a daily grinder in your phase of life where you're doing class, you have so much notes you have to take during class, but it's just so hard to focus on writing things down and paying attention in class? Are you somebody who's taking lots of Zoom or Google Meets for those different classes, and you wish you could just have someone take notes alongside you rather than you needing to write those notes down yourself? Well, lucky for you, we here at Tactiq have an amazing product that allows you to take everything that you'd want out of your class and aggregate it into a very simple and easy to use transcription tool that then summarizes everything and can be used for so much more. Let's dive right into it. So first and foremost, Tactiq is a Chrome extension. This Chrome extension is great because what it can do is it can work with Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other products in that meeting realm to essentially summarize everything that's being said and transcribe it. All you need to do is install the Chrome extension and simply open up a meeting tool like Google Meet. And what you'll see here is a transcription on the right-hand side. That's me over here. And what it's doing here is it's taking the transcription of what's being said on the Google Meet call with the captions on, and then from there, it is transcribing it for use on the right-hand side here. Now, obviously, if I'm in class, I could always take notes on what the teacher said. Interesting fact, something to remember for the test, and much more. However, I don't need to do all that if I don't want to. I can simply just let what's being said take over here and be transcribed. Now, after the meeting is complete, what ends up happening is any meeting inside of Tactiq ends up getting added to your Tactiq account here. As you can see, this is a sync that I had with somebody on my team, but it can obviously be used for different conversations that you're having one-on-one with the teacher or in a class setting. And what's awesome is not only does it transcribe everything, but you can also generate a detailed or short summary, as well as some of these other prompts right here. And you have the ability to make your own custom meeting kits and prompts. So it's really easy to get answers as to what happened during the meeting or class in this case. Now, as you can see here on the bottom, there is a detailed summary of who participated, obviously myself and Yasin here. And there's an agenda of what was talked over. There are project updates, automation and API issues that were found, and more notes here. And if I wanted to ask a specific question, I could always type something within here or give a choice here to one of these other short AI tool aggregators. So we have a quick summary here, and then some action items for the both of us. Now, for a class, this would come really in handy if you needed to ask a specific question on a certain subject that comes up during the lecture, or if you simply want a quick summary and or some action items like trying to find what homework you end up having assigned for future dates. As you can see here, once I end up hanging up and finish this, it automatically loads into my Tactiq account, and from there, you'll see any notes that I did take end up aggregating over here. And if I did highlight anything inside of here during the call, it would pop up like this, but I could always retroactively go back here and do that, as well as change the text too. So if you're looking to make it a much easier process of not having to take notes during class and simply focus, or if you know that you're not gonna be focused during some classes, this is gonna be beneficial too. I want you to try out Tactiq today for free. On the free plan, you can actually get 10 transcripts per month. So if you're on night classes or something like that, and you really don't need that much, you can actually use it for free for, a master's program or something like that. And if you're somebody who wants to use it more consistently, I'd recommend the pro plan, because say you have classes and you might have Zoom calls with group projects or anything like that, it would be useful for that as well. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to download Tactiq today, and we'll see you in the next one.